Good afternoon, everybody, from a hot and sticky Bangkok.
It is scorching today, I'm melting. We're last seen summer. If you've been watching our channel, you might know that we're currently in Thailand and we're having a banging time. It's fantastic, it really is. And today we're going to walk up Soi 11 and show you what's here now and what's new and what's gone, because this place changes weekly almost.
And we're staying on Soi 11. We always come to Bangkok and always stay on Soi 11. And we're going to take a walk up and show you what's there.
Like we said, we started at the far end by the 7-Eleven on what everybody loves to lovingly refer to as Insanity Corner, because it's crazy, that corner, isn't it?
Yeah, and there was also a nightclub down there called Insanity, which we just discovered is now gone.
Yeah.
We've never been in there because obviously we're an old nightclub, but yeah, that's not there anymore.
Yeah, it's gone. And also Chili's is gone as well.
Chili Culture Restaurant, we used to like coming in there and having meals, lovely Thai food, that's gone as well.
And the worst part about it is it's sort of like a circle of three, because my favourite burger restaurant's gone as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, so we've just walked past Bang Bang Burger, and it used to be Daniel Thager's, didn't it?
Yeah, I used to love a Daniel Thager burger, I really did. They were fantastic. I was quite upset he was gone, wasn't I?
Yeah. So things have changed already, and obviously you've got a Hilarys down there as well, we should just walk past.
Yeah.
And there was never a Hilarys there before, I don't know what it was, but it's now a Hilarys.
But everything seems to be changing around here. It always does, doesn't it? Every time we come back to Bangkok and we walk up this road, there's always something new. And we're coming out to a new place now called Candy Club Xbobo. It's not open today, but it looks like it's about to open any minute, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're still doing building work on it, but yeah, it looks nice actually.
It looks fantastic.
A cookie burger joint outside, and yeah, it looks really nice. Opposite Candy's and the cookie burger, you've got Aira, really tall blue building. There's a hotel and a nightclub in there. I've never been in there, but it's meant to be quite swanky by the
Yeah,
way.
very swanky. And you can tell they're still doing the work on that candy. They were grinding like mad then, weren't they? But there's loads of little restaurants here as well. This is Oscar's here, and it's a bistro, and that's a lovely little place as well.
Yeah, they've got a couple of little Thai restaurants, haven't they, along here?
Yeah, beautiful.
Nice.
And this really is a really popular street here in Bangkok. It is my favourite street in Bangkok.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It is fantastic. There's so much on it, isn't there?
Yeah, and it's really sort of located really well to everything that you want to get to around the area.
Yeah.
Loads of bars and restaurants.
Yeah, the BTS station is literally just up the
Nana
road.
Nana BTS station.
Yeah.
It's a really good street.
It is a brilliant street. It's full of life. It comes really alive on a night as well, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it's really good.
Brilliant. And you got your currency change here, which is always a good one. And the rates are always better in them, because they do say bring cash, but we never do. But that's us being idiots, unfortunately. Getting a bit busy around here now. It's a very busy afternoon here on Soi 11, isn't it?
Yeah, you find out about sort of 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it gets really busy with traffic.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a busy street anyway, people walking, but it just gets mega busy with traffic.
We're coming up to the Mercure Hotel now, and that's normally where we stay, isn't it, when we come to Bangkok?
So we stay in the Mercure, we've stayed in there a few times, lovely hotel. They've got the El Gaucho Steakhouse next to it, which is nice. And obviously they've got Hilarys.
Whenever we get to Bangkok, we always start our first drink in Hilarys, don't we?
Yeah, I think it's usually because we stay at Mercure and it's right opposite. But yeah, we always have our first drink at Hilarys, and it's Hillary free. The one down the road's a new one, but this one's been there for quite a while.
It has, yeah. But it's very busy, and there's loads of cannabis vans in this part of the street. And it doesn't smell like the best quality cannabis, I gotta be honest. Being from Bristol, we kind of know what it should smell like, and it's not a very nice smell, is it?
Bad weed.
Yeah, very bad weed. But we're coming up to Sugar now, and we're pretty certain that this used to be the Aussie bar. But that's gone, hasn't it?
Yeah, so as far as we can remember, it used to be the Aussie bar. And obviously you've got an Indian food place, which I can't even remember what that used to be.
No, I can't, because it's all new, because there's another new bar called Alchemist opposite as well.
Yeah, and then you've got Hemingways, which is nice in there.
Oh, fantastic. I love an afternoon in Hemingways,
nice
I really
and chill,
do. Oh, it's
nice
lovely.
Food, really nice in there.
Unbelievable burgers, unbelievable burgers. So now we're at the Aira Hotel, and that's where we're staying on this trip, and it is an absolutely banging hotel. I'm really happy with it.
So it's a brand new hotel in July this year, and it's all like blingy and sparkly with chandeliers. It is absolutely amazing, and it shares a driveway with the Grand President. But yeah, it's right opposite Hemingways, right in the middle of Soi 11. Lovely hotel, amazing.
Yeah, fantastic. Right, let's do a spinny around here and move on. Trying to avoid some people, because we're doing this on the afternoon, like we said. because you see a lot of the videos and they're in the morning, and you don't really get a feel for what it's like when it's alive, do you?
We're doing it when the traffic's like, really hectic, but it's good. That's what the street's all about, it's really good and hectic.
And right next to the Aira hotel where we're staying is where the new Mooless bar is going to be, and that used to be further back, the other side of the Mercure hotel, and it used to do brilliant breakfast, didn't it?
Yeah, we used to go down there for breakfast and wondered where it went, and then seen this and said, we are back, coming soon, 2022. So,
yeah.
I don't know when, 2022, this is around out of time, but it's going to be done.
And that's what opposite the German Beerhouse as well, because that's a lovely place to spend an afternoon as well and have a drink in there, isn't it?
Yeah, really good beer in there, yeah.
Really nice. So we're coming up to the Ambassador, and that's another famous hotel here on Soi 11, and a lot of people do like staying in that one, don't they?
Yeah, we've never stayed there, but big hotel, big hotel.
Massive hotel.
Yeah.
But it is chaotic this afternoon. I love it, I've got to be honest. It's fantastic, isn't it? You can't moan about it, it's just alive.
It's great.
This
Absolutely
city,
fantastic.
this city is just phenomenal.
It makes you feel alive.
It really does. Right opposite the Ambassador, there's lots of street food places. In fact, like a corrugated iron fence that they've built at the moment, and it's quite busy around there as well, isn't it?
Yeah, you get lots of taxi drivers as well, actually, if you want to go to the floating market.
The floating market, the only place that exists in Bangkok.
I don't know why they want to take you there. We've never been, but they all want to take you to the same place.
Yeah, every morning you walk out your hotel, it's floating market, floating market. No, we're all right, we have to say, but it is getting busier by the second.
And we're coming up to another new bit now as well, aren't we? With Wine Connection, which was never there before. I can't remember what was there, but it was never Wine Connection.
Right, we're all wait here for a second and let a taxi go past. There he goes. But yeah, this is all new here as well on the left, isn't it? Right opposite the Wine Connection, you've got Simply Thai, which is the street food place here on Soi 11, and the food in there is out of this world, it really is.
Yeah, so it's like a little, it's not a street food court because there's only one place that sells it, but they've got loads of tables in there. It's a really big place. It's really reasonable price, and it's amazing Thai food. It's lovely.
It is absolutely fantastic food. I've been loving eating in there.
Yeah.
But we've got to move on, so we've got to wriggle around again. Here we go. Walking amongst the crowds again. We had to tuck in out the way then because we were causing a bit of a traffic log, weren't we? But right next to the Simply Thai is all the new beer bars that they've built along here, and they are really good. They're great on a night, aren't they?
Yeah, so you've got about 4 or 5 different bars. I think is PDT, Orange Bangkok, Jewelry
Bar,
Jewelry
Bar with its funny name.
But they're really good, they're really lively. You do have to kind of like, it's like a contest against music, but really good, right in the middle of the street. It's amazing. They've
got the 5-bat bug bogs in there, unfortunately, but
which I won't go in, but
no. So you have to deal with that. And we're going past the Burger King now. So if you do fancy something a little bit more like the taste of home, they've got that, and Taco Bell right next door.
Which is also brand new, and that was never here before.
No, never. And right next to the Taco Bell and the Burger King, you've got a Japanese Gaijin place now, haven't we?
And then a vegan place next door to that.
And they're all under the Alley 11 Hotel, which you cannot miss on Soi 11.
It's bright orange.
Yeah. And they light it up lovely on a night as well, don't they? All the windows grow up. It's brilliant.
Got your 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah, 7-Eleven where you can get your lovely ham and cheese toasters on a morning, which is my favourite.
Yeah.
Even though Dorinda looks at me, no, I'm fine, thanks buddy, but thanks.
Next time try my restaurant, sir. Very good.
And that's an Indian place.
Yeah, that's an Indian restaurant.
Food there.
And across the road you've got where Zanzibar used to be, and that has gone, it's completely gone. And it's just full of street food carts now all over the land where they used to be.
It was like a pub restaurant place, and it was all sort of set in like tropical clouds and there. It looked lovely in there.
Yeah, it was very
it's not there now.
high class, swanky too, wasn't it? It was a lovely
Sign's
place.
still there, but the place isn't.
Yeah, and it's just full, like I said, of street food places. But I've got to watch where I'm walking now because it's all curvy and bumpy and lumpy when we get to this bit. How you doing, buddy? You all right?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, they're so friendly over here. He's selling mango shakes, I think. So it wasn't mango shakes, it was sugarcane drinks. He was a lovely chap too, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was, yeah.
Well, all this on the left-hand side's gone. Well, I don't know what it used to be. I can't remember. I think one used to be a travels agency, and another one, the money exchange, is still there. But yeah,
they've still got a couple of ATM machines, but that's all they got.
Yeah, but yeah, that's all closed down just there. But we're coming up to quite the end of the road now, aren't we? We're getting close to the end, and we're by sort of like there's a few hostels here and restaurants and whatnot, but it's getting ridiculously busy now. Perhaps this wasn't the best idea to do this on the afternoon. Whoa, almost got run over. Fantastic. Hey, I'm falling over, great fun. But yeah, this is pretty much it, isn't it now?
Oh, you got all the motorbike taxis there across the other side of the street, haven't you?
Yeah.
If you want to get a motorbike taxi.
And a few odd street food stalls and a burger shop and a brand new 7-Eleven on the corner where the clothes shop used to be. So they used to sell nice shirts in there. But yeah, episode 11's new as well here. I don't know what that actually is yet, because we haven't looked in there, have we?
No.
I had a look at the burger place. The burgers look fantastic. But here we go, we've hit the main road.
Yeah, right at the end now.
Right at the end. But yeah, our favourite road. Well, I love this road in Bangkok. It's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, really good.
Bit chaotic doing it on an afternoon, but we thought we'd do it on an afternoon to show you how busy it really is.
Yeah, and how lively it really is.
Yeah. So that's our little walk up Soi 11. We've never done one of these before. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah,
it was good fun.
It was good, yeah. We hope that if you've been here before, it shows you what's here now, what's changed, and if you've never been here, what to expect if you come here.
Yeah. We're in Thailand for quite a while, so why not subscribe and see what we get up to, because we're here for ages, aren't
Yeah,
we?
we're going to be doing a lot of videos, showing you things to see and do in Thailand. So yeah, subscribe and check out our other videos.
We're last seen somewhere. Thanks for watching.